Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna show y'all what I used to use for my Mr. Buddy heater, stuff like that. I used to use these. And if you know, the one-time use kind of thing. You go to the store, you get, I'm not sure what these go for now, but I believe you can get like a 3-pack for like, I believe $10, but I'm not sure. But I know they're expensive. You only can use them one time. I mean, you can. They do sell adapters that you can put on these to fill them up, but these things aren't meant to be refilled, meant to be disposed. But they're bad for the environment as well, and a waste of money. So I have these here. Let me show you. These things, which is called a Fuel Keg, made by Mr. Heater, and it has this adapter that I bought separately, and it connects to the tank. I have 2 of them actually. I'm actually gonna get a couple more this year, but 4 more, so I have 6. But I'm gonna show you how to fill these up. I'm gonna try to show you how to fill them up because I don't have my, again, I don't have my my action camera at all. I'm using my phone. I don't have nothing to hold my camera, so give me a minute. Let me find something to use to hold my camera up. Oh yeah, I got the tank hooked up, so it's on there now. When I take it off, I'll show you. I don't have my neck phone, my GoPro holder, so so I couldn't figure what it was. So I have to use my phone, and I'm holding my phone with my hand. So, but when I get done, I'll attach it, and I'll show you how you're supposed to actually hook it up to this part, because there's a pin inside there that has to line up so that this screws on. But let me show you how it fills up. So you gotta hold it for a little bit. So it's on, the gas is off when you put it on. So let's open the gas up. Opening the fuel up right now. You always do this outside. This is, I mean, fumes and stuff. It's safer to do it outside. So that's open. Then you have to turn this, open this valve open. You're gonna hear some sound. Don't be frightened by it. All right, and then you fill. And you're gonna know when it's done being filled when you see. Should be like 60 seconds. You hold it for. Should have used gloves for this. I'm not using gloves, but don't follow me. You should have used gloves for this. Anytime you're done with propane, hooking up propane, you should use gloves. The canister, this canister, it gets cold, so don't be frightened by that as well. Perfectly fine, perfectly normal. So you hear that noise now? So now you know when it's full. When that a steady stream come out. There you go, it's full. Turn that off. That's off. You turn the valve back off. Valve is off. So, let's see if we get one hand. Untighten this. You can't screw the bottle because there's a pin in there, so the only thing you can turn is this. That's it. It's probably gonna drop down, but let's see if I can hold it while I'm unscrewing. Put my camera down for a second. See that little hole right there on the bottom? There's a big hole and a small hole. That pin, this pin here, that pin. Try to focus on the side here for you. That little pin right here goes into that slot. So you can't turn the bottle. You have to turn this, but I made a mistake of trying to do that. It's starting to rain outside, but yeah. All right, let me get back inside. It's starting to rain. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to get everything back inside because it was raining out. But so let me show you something that's very important as well. If you look in here, you see that white thing and there's like an O-ring below it? Those things come out of it easily, real easy. So I noticed when I took this one out, look, it's gone. It's on here. So you gotta be very careful when you take these out. They go back in, but you need those. Those are important to be in there. So just always check this part to make sure that if they're on here, they go back on this container before you start using it. So let me get this back in there. I'll show you how it's supposed to look. Well, it's supposed to look like that. The black O-ring goes in first, and then that goes on top of it. Now let me get this out. 1 second. Okay, that's back in there. I'm gonna use something just to push on it gently. So this hand really might work. You don't want to damage this plastic piece. It's doing it pretty good. That's good. That's good enough. But yeah, that's it. They're cold. Could just felt them, but now both of these are 1 pound cylinders. So obviously they hold 1 pound of fuel. And this is a 20-pound tank. So I can fill these. I can fill one of these 20 times. So I don't know what they go for. Let me look up online and see what these actually go for. 1 second. All right, yeah. So I looked them up. So for one of these propane Coleman ones, $5.47 at Walmart. So for 20 of these, it would be $100, over $100 for tax, compared to paying for the exchange program. I believe it's like $25 to get a new, take this tank in and get a new one, a refilled one, for $25. So you're saving a lot of money getting these, even though these cost. I mean, in the beginning you got to pay. I believe these are like $19 a piece for these, and then I believe this part here, this part, and the feet that goes in the bottom of there, I believe this was, I would like to say $40, $39. I'll post it in the video, what these cost. But so, I mean, I would like to have 6 of these. So you figure if you buy 6 of these, let's just say let's say $20 a piece. I mean, they're $19, but let's say $20 a piece. So you need, you want 6 of these. So it'll be $120 for this, and then so $160 for the setup. But in the long run, you'll save a lot of money, because instead of buying these and throwing them out, or trying to refill them and risk harming yourself or blowing up, you can just buy that and refill it. So that's what I was doing for today. I just want to show y'all, because I'm getting ready for the winter. So see my Mr. Buddy heater down there. I do have another something else, another heating source that I ordered that's coming soon. So I'm excited to show y'all what that is. But this is still good to have, and I still want to have more of these. I'm gonna order 4 more of these, so then I have 6 of them, because it's good for emergency. You never know. But as you know, propane is a wet heat, so if you use an enclosed door, it is going to cause humidity. It's going to cause wetness on stuff. So even the tents, if you use it camping, using the tents, you're going to wake up, your tent's going to be wet. All inside of it. The walls are going to be wet, everything. In your house, it's going to fog your windows up. It's producing humidity. So this is a wet fuel. So you can use them inside. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just, I'm going to let you know. Like in the garage, if you have stuff that's sensitive to moisture, you don't want to use them. This is in the garage, really that much sensitive stuff. But I mean, you can use them in the garage. I'm just saying, if you have sensitive stuff that's you don't want getting wet or condensation over it at all, then this is an option for you. But I have another option coming soon. So, all right, that's it, y'all. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. Definitely like it and try to watch it. I mean, some of my videos are long. Some people are into that. I'm into long videos. I love watching long YouTube videos. I have so many people that I follow that make long hour videos. I love watching them. I love following their journey, and that's it. But I also like short videos, so that's why I try to make some short ones for y'all as well. But please try to watch through the video. I try to make them as interesting as possible so that you can like watching them. But some of them are just, I mean, this is a helpful video. So this is a learning video. So this is something you should watch because this is important. A lot of people use these Mr. Butter heaters and stuff, and it's important to know how you can save the environment more and save some money in your pocket as well by buying these. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye. Always make sure you use these caps that come with it. Use the caps, it's on there already. And this screw on. Always keep these on because you never know, it could leak. You never know. It shouldn't leak, but it could leak. This protects the threads of the glass too, so it keeps it safe. Okay. Screw on caps. This one seems like that's good. Anyway. That's not gonna hold it. But yeah, that's it.